Curious about the best drinks to boost your liver health and fight fatty liver? You're in the right place. I'm here to unveil 10 fantastic beverages, each offering more than just great taste. They're key players in supporting liver health. These drinks are daily power-ups for your liver, ensuring it stays robust and energetic. Number 10. Lemon water with a twist. Have you ever considered how a simple glass of lemon water could benefit your liver health routine? Picture this. You're starting your day with a refreshing, zesty drink that's not just a delight to sip, but also supports your liver's function. Lemons, bursting with vitamin C and antioxidants, can contribute to overall liver health, especially if you want to support your body against fatty liver disease. Now, think about adding a twist of mint or ginger. Not only do they enhance the flavor, but they also bring their digestive benefits to the table. It's like a gentle nudge to your digestive system, aiding digestion and potentially easing the workload on your liver. So, as you enjoy this delightful concoction, remember each sip is a step towards supporting your overall health and well-being. Number 9. Green tea. Now, let's talk about green tea, a favorite for many of us seeking relaxation and enjoying its calming effects after a long day. But did you know this soothing beverage is more than just a relaxant? It's a powerhouse for your liver health. Green tea is brimming with catechins, powerful antioxidants that act as a protective shield for your liver. These catechins are instrumental in reducing fat accumulation in the liver and fighting oxidative stress, key factors in maintaining a healthy liver. Green tea also plays a role in optimizing liver enzyme levels. It's not just a beverage, it's a liver tonic in your cup. To maximize its benefits, consider replacing one of your daily coffees or any other drink with a cup of green tea, combining enjoyment with health in every sip. What's your favorite time of day to enjoy a cup of green tea? Morning refreshment or evening wind down? Let me know in the comments. Number 8. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea, often chosen for its soothing effect, is much more than a mere relaxant. It's a valuable ally for liver health. Ever wondered how this tea, with its gentle floral notes, does more than help you relax? Chamomile contains compounds like sesquiterpene lactones and flavonoids, known for their calming effects on the nervous system and potential liver benefits. What's more, chamomile tea is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can be part of a healthy lifestyle that supports overall well-being, including liver health. Regular consumption of chamomile tea can contribute to reducing inflammation in the body, potentially supporting general health. So, next time you sip on a warm cup of chamomile tea, think of it not just as a moment of tranquility, but as a natural, gentle support to your liver's overall health, helping to maintain its balance and function. Number 7. Turmeric tea. How about adding a splash of color and health to your day with turmeric tea? This isn't just any tea, it's a treasure for your liver health. Turmeric, a spice that might already be in your kitchen, contains curcumin, a powerful natural compound. Curcumin helps to soothe inflammation, which is beneficial and may contribute to overall liver health, particularly useful for conditions like fatty liver disease. But that's not all. Its antioxidant properties are thought to be beneficial in safeguarding liver cells against damage. Imagine each cup of this vibrant golden tea not only warming your soul, but also aiding in maintaining liver health. Preparing turmeric tea is easy. Just simmer a teaspoon of ground turmeric with water for about 5 minutes, then strain. Enhance its flavor and benefits with a pinch of black pepper and a dash of honey. This combination not only tastes great, but also enhances curcumin absorption, which may benefit overall health. Turmeric tea lovers, how do you make yours? Any special ingredients for that perfect cup? Drop your tips below. Number 6. Barley water. Have you ever tried barley water? A traditional and natural approach to supporting overall wellness, including liver health? This humble drink, rich in beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber, offers a wealth of health benefits. Beta-glucans are known for promoting digestive health, which in turn may positively impact your liver function. as a healthy digestive system supports overall liver health. And here's the best part. Incorporating barley water can be a beneficial addition to your overall health routine. It's not just about hydration, it's about giving your liver and digestion the support they deserve. Preparing it is easy. Just simmer pearl barley in water, strain, and savor. Adding a splash of lemon or a hint of honey not only enhances its flavor, but also adds to its nutritional value. Number 5. Mixed vegetable juice. Ever thought about how a concoction of beets, carrots, and leafy greens could be a boon for your liver? These vegetables are not only colorful and delicious, but also a powerhouse of nutrients and antioxidants that may support liver health. Beets are considered beneficial for liver health due to their nutrient content. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, and leafy greens rich in vitamins contribute to overall health, which is beneficial for liver function as part of a diverse diet. This combination provides a broad spectrum of antioxidants that are part of a healthy, liver-friendly diet. Creating your own mixed vegetable juice is both fun and beneficial. Simply mix your favorite liver-friendly veggies and add a hint of ginger or apple for a flavorful twist. Enjoying this nutrient-packed juice can be a delightful part of maintaining a balanced diet for overall health. Number 4. Milk Thistle Tea. This herbal tea is not just a drink, it's a guardian for liver health. Milk thistle is celebrated for its liver protective properties, a treasure for those of us looking for natural ways to support liver function. Rich in silymarin, a compound known for its liver protective properties and potential to aid in liver health, milk thistle tea is a wise choice for anyone focusing on liver wellness. Whether you're dealing with daily stressors or concerned about your liver, this tea can be a soothing addition to your routine. To prepare milk thistle tea, start by crushing the seeds. Use a mortar and pestle or grinder for this. Then simmer the crushed seeds in water, allowing them to steep and release their beneficial silymarin. If you enjoyed this video so far, please like and share. Number 3. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranates are rich in compounds that may help reduce oxidative stress, supporting liver health. This delightful juice offers a refreshing taste and packs a powerful punch of nutrients that, as part of a balanced diet, are beneficial for overall well-being, including supporting liver health. Especially for those mindful of liver health, incorporating pomegranate juice into your diet can be a delightful way to support your liver. Why not try adding a glass of pomegranate juice to your daily routine? It's a simple, delicious, and effective way to contribute to liver wellness. Each sip is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a step towards supporting the health of one of your body's most vital organs. Number 2. Water. When it comes to liver health, have you ever considered the unparalleled benefits of plain water? It's the essence of life and a fundamental component for maintaining a healthy liver. Water aids in the body's natural detoxification process, helping to remove waste and supporting efficient liver function. Staying hydrated is key, especially as we age. So why not make it a habit to keep a bottle of water with you throughout the day? Every sip contributes to hydration, supporting your liver and overall health. Number 1. Coffee. And now let's warmly welcome the top contender, coffee. Surprised? Your morning cup of coffee is more than just an energizer, it's a champion for your liver health. Beloved for its rich flavor, coffee is also laden with compounds that bolster liver health. Research suggests that moderate coffee consumption can help reduce the buildup of fat in the liver, a common concern as we age. It's also rich in antioxidants that elevate the body's defense against oxidative stress, crucial for maintaining a healthy liver. So, next time you savor your favorite brew, remember each sip does more than wake you up. It contributes to your liver's well-being. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your health. To continue mastering health naturally and enjoying life fully every day, be sure to check out our other videos for more valuable tips. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated. Your journey to wellness is ongoing, and I am here to guide you every step of the way. Stay informed, stay healthy, and thank you for being part of our community.